Hey guys, Joe Burnich here with Big West Marketing. We empower small businesses to succeed online, and we do this by simplifying this digital marketing stuff. This video is specifically for how to do marketing for carpet cleaners. So if you have a carpet cleaning company, this video is for you. And also at the end of this video, I am going to have a special offer for you. So stick around for that, but let's get started right now. All right, so let's dig into marketing, but I want to ask you a question first. Okay? Why are you interested in marketing? Why is that so important? Why are you actually watching this video that's all about marketing? Okay? Most people are like, well, I want to make more money or want to grow my business. And yeah, that's true. Every carpet cleaner wants that. Okay, everybody in the industry wants that, but I want to dig a little bit deeper here and tell you a quick little story. So back when I had, in 2009, when I started my cleaning business, okay, new baby, new wife, and a new business, and I mean, times were tough, man. I was having a tough time making ends meet, all right? And then in addition to that, in addition to just the struggles of that, I've got some of these lowballer, these cutthroat, like bait and switcher type competitors in town trying to take me out, trying to put me out of business. Okay, so I mean, specifically, one guy had a very similar business name to me, and I'd be getting calls from people saying, why are you late? Why didn't you show up yesterday? Or I want my money back, all this stuff. And it wasn't me. It's because we had a similar business name. So this guy, but on top of that, he was going below my prices. So anytime I would put advertising out there for a specific amount, he'd go below. He'd be lowballing me with my prices. So he's doing shitty work, lowballing my prices, and then he's talking bad about me around town. And then it burned me up. When I see his van driving around town here in Missoula, Montana, I get pissed. So I mean, maybe you can relate to that. Maybe you have these lowballer guys in your community that are just doing bait and switch, just shady stuff, taking business from you. Assuming you're watching this, you're probably one of the top guys, one of the ethical guys that does the right thing, does good work, calls people back, like all that kind of stuff. So what I did is in addition to just wanting to grow my business, I used marketing as a way to protect me and set myself apart from these bottom feeder competitors. Okay, so the way I see it is if done correctly, okay, will set you apart from these guys. It'll show people in town that you're the real deal, and then let the bottom feeder competitors work with the bottom feeder clients. We don't want them. We don't even want those clients. Okay, so how are we going to do this? How did I do this with marketing, and how do I do it for my clients right now, and how can you do it for your business? How can you do that for you to protect you and your family and your business? All right, so here, check out this cool little graphic I did here. All right, I'm calling it the complete solution. Now you're going to see everything on here is Google. Now, a lot of times when I talk to carpet cleaners about Google, their first reaction is, well, I don't like Google. Google's too expensive, or I've tried it and it doesn't work, and Google's a ripoff. Okay, well, yeah. If Google's done incorrectly, or if you don't understand the big picture of how Google works, then yeah, you can lose a lot of money with Google. All right, or you can do it wrong. There's right ways to do SEO. There's right ways to do AdWords, and I'm going to dig into this and show you. So SEO is the map section. Somebody types in carpet cleaning, your city name, and you show up in that map section. Those of you that have ever ranked in that map section know your phone's going to ring, man. You're going to get some calls, okay? The problem is you can only rank in one specific city where you got your location, your physical address, okay? And it takes a long time. It takes months and it takes hard work to get there, okay? Now, but it's great. It's still, I love SEO. It's what I built this marketing business on is SEO. But now that we've added AdWords, it takes on a whole new level because now you can rank in multiple cities and you can rank quickly, okay? And you can start getting jobs like right away with this stuff for all different types of services in all different multiple locations and cities. Now, that being said, it's way more expensive than SEO because it's a pay-per-click. You pay per click, okay? And the reason that a lot of guys I talk to say, oh, I've tried it and it doesn't work or it's too expensive, is because it's done wrong. If you do it wrong, you're going to burn through money. And I've got 7 tips I'm going to give you on how to do it right. Stay tuned for that, okay? So if it's done, and there's somebody in your town that's using AdWords to get carpet cleaning jobs and is making it work, why is that not you? Okay? Or why are you spending so much money when you don't have to? I'm going to show you. All right. Third thing I want to talk about along the bottom here, in the bottom part of this wheel, is Google reviews. This is something that's really overlooked that people don't put much emphasis on. But I can tell you from my business, man, I can tell you Google reviews will take your SEO and take your AdWords and double it, triple it, 5x it, take it 10 times. You'll get 10 times the results if you have the most 5-star reviews in your town. And I'm going to show you how an easy way to get your 5-star reviews, but you got to do it. Okay, it's not something you can just magically want to happen and expect it to happen. You have to actually put a little bit of effort, but I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it. Okay, fourth thing I want to talk about, probably the most important thing that most people ignore, including all these so-called marketing experts or web design experts, stuff like that, is that you got so the middle of that circle, you got to have a website. You know this. You got to have a website to make all this Google stuff work. You have a good website, okay? But notice I didn't put a website in there. I put a phone. Okay, maybe you haven't heard, but smartphones are pretty popular these days. 80 to 90% of the people that see you on the internet are using a smartphone, not a computer. Okay, so yes, you want to develop a website that looks pretty and nice on the computer, of course. But realize only 10 to 20% of the people that see you are going to see on that. So stop designing for that. Stop focusing on that. Okay, and it blows my mind that most web designers do not understand this. So what we do is we design what's called mobile first. We design first for the mobile phone. Okay, the big stuff it comes later, but the phone is first, and I'll tell you why. Because we can put tap to call buttons, tap to text buttons. I'm going to show you examples of all this stuff. I'm going to show you before and after, so you can see the difference. And you don't have to be a computer person. You don't have to be a tech whiz to understand what I'm going to show you. Anybody can understand this stuff. You might not be able to implement it. You might need to have your web designer or hire somebody to implement it, but at least you know you're spending your money on something that actually has been tested and works. Okay, so how are we going to dig deep into all this stuff? So I made separate videos for each one of these. I made a video for SEO for carpet cleaners, how to do SEO for carpet cleaners, okay? How to do Google AdWords for carpet cleaners, how to do how to get reviews easily for carpet cleaners specifically, okay? How to correctly do websites for carpet cleaners, the mobile first websites, so you can really make all this stuff work together and just kill it online, get this complete solution. Okay, I want you to go watch all 4 of these videos. I put links to all 4 of them like below the video in the YouTube description or on my blog. Wherever you're watching this video, you're gonna find these 4 links. Okay, find these other 4 videos. I want you to go watch those videos and take your business to the next level. Now, if you're a client of Big West Marketing, all of this is taken care of for you. We like to make this as simple as possible for our clients so you can focus on what you do best. Now, if you are not a client of Big West Marketing, right now we are offering a free consultation up to 30 minutes. That's normally a $97 value, so take advantage of this right now. Just call or click on the link to schedule a day and time that works best for you. So, if you're tired of being confused and overwhelmed, then contact us today. Someone from our office will show you step by step what you need to do to be successful online. If you are ready for a real solution, contact us today.